Which is our national animal? Tiger. Our national bird? Peacock. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Lion. Animal takes care of our house? Dog. The shape of carom board? Square. Is the shape of door? Rectangle. Shape of coin? Circle. Table looks like a flower? Cauliflower. Animal gives us wool? Sheep. Made you? God made me. Who is God? God is our loving Father. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Organs: eyes and nose, tongue and skin. What do you do with your eyes? I see with my eyes. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. The colors of traffic light: red, yellow and green. Seasons are there? 5 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring and rainy. Name 2 rainy months: July and August. From where does the rain come? From the black clouds. Which bird dances in the rain? Peacock dances in the rain. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7 colors. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Who sells medicine? Chemist. Name any 4 types of fabrics: cotton, woolen, silk and jute. Where do we get silk from? Silkworm. Where do we get jute from? Plants. Name 3 types of musical instruments: string, wind, percussion. Name 2 wind instruments: flute and trumpet. Name 2 string instruments: guitar and violin. Name any 2 percussion instruments: drum and tabla. Name the instrument played by Lord Krishna: flute. Name the instrument played by Goddess Saraswati: sitar. Name the instrument played by Lord Shiva: Damru. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th of August. When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th of January. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Which is the first month of the year? January. Which is the last month of the year? December. This is the last question for you. Please comment box में इसका आंसर देना.